my busy bees. They buzz every day. Sometimes they can sting, but when they sting, they don't want to sting because they know what happens when they sting people.
What happens?
They die.
Oh, so what would be a reason that a bee would sting you?
Because if you scare them.
Okay.
So
do you think they're protecting something?
they're trying to protect their hive and the other bees, and they're also trying to protect their queen.
Oh, okay. Tell me about the queen.
So the queen, the queen is all the way down at the bottom because she can't get out because she's too big.
Oh, okay.
So the other bees come out.
And what do they do when they're out?
They go to flowers to pollinate.
Okay.
And then they come back and they put the pollen in these, and then takes a day or two for them to make honey, and then it makes honey so they could eat it, and they do it for the queen and themselves. So if the queen dies, it's a possibility that they could die too because they can't live without a queen.
Oh.
So when the queen dies, they want to go to a different hive where another queen isn't dead.
So they swarm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And if there's not just worker bees, there's bees that want to mate with the queen, so they could make more bees.
Oh, and grow a bigger hive.
Yeah, and then there could be a new queen.
Oh.
And that one could go to a different hive. So and then there could be more and more, and there could be more mate bees and more queen bees. Without bees, we wouldn't have honey. Let me see, bananas.
Okay. Why is pollinating so important?
So they can survive by eating it.
Okay.
With honey.
Do plants require pollination?
Yes.
Absolutely. All plants or just some plants? All of them.
All of it.
Absolutely. So having our garden right there, is that a smart decision or a bad decision?
Good, smart decision because we have flowers and they could so we have flowers. Wait. They could pollinate over here and then here in our backyard and over here. But the most place that they would pollinate the most is right there. Because
big flower blooms. Okay.
yeah, but the flowers
That's okay.
drying up. So
What about these?
oh yeah.
So what does it look like when a bee pollinates something?
So they bring out their tongues and lick it up, and they absorb it until they get to the hive, and then they take it out of their mouth and then put it into the little combs.
Oh, very cool. So Do you get honey really quick, or does it kind of take a little time?
It takes a little time because you want to take time when you're working.
Okay.
It also takes time for animals to work too. Like, let's imagine you have a house and you want to build one like the size of a skyscraper.
Okay.
And it'll take like 40 or 400 days.
Okay.
And then you're like, you need some food. And then you go out, pretend like you just moved here.
Okay.
And you didn't know where the store was. So you went somewhere to plants, and they're like, we could make some plants out of these. I mean, some food out of these.
Oh, okay. So they just go around to different plants and they pollinate, and then they bring the honey back to the hive.
Yeah.
Okay. So why is it safe for us to take the honey?
So we could eat it too.
Yeah.
And they could kind of like share.
So is that why we add other layers onto the beehive? Because
Yes.
which layer is theirs?
Right, the bottom right here with all the busy bees.
Okay. So if we stack 2 more boxes up on there, would we be able to harvest the honey out of those other boxes?
Yeah, because we're like tall, they're small.
So they
Rhyme.
feed their family and their queen and all the other bees with the bottom one?
What?
With the bottom hive? Is that what they do?
I don't get what you're saying.
So this bottom box is their special honey.
Right.
And if we put others on there, those are just the extras, right?
Right,
So those are the ones we harvest?
right.
All right, well, wrap it up, my friend.
So, hope you like this video. If there's more you would like, subscribe.